As we may all know, South Africa is one of the countries with highest unemployment rates. The rich keeps getting richer and the poor gets poorer. Even those with jobs are underpaid. There is not much you can do, but at least we can share if we see or hear of any opportunities that can put bread on someone else's table. These opportunities may not be enough for all of us, but that shouldn't discourage us because one person's win is a win for all. Tomorrow it may be you. Hello guys, welcome back to Meet About, the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you work from home jobs you can do in South Africa. These companies are currently hiring. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. We are so close to 19k, actually 20k, so please subscribe. I know some of you are outside South Africa, but don't worry, I normally post content that is applicable to everyone, but today's video is specifically for people who are based in South Africa. However, some of the companies are based in the UK, but they also have offices in South Africa, so you may want to check if they have offices in your country, and you can apply as well if they have any job openings. Number 1, UPS admin assistant. This company is looking for people who are going to be responsible for custom outbound shipments and ensuring that the paperwork is correctly documented. The nice thing with this job is it's not only an entry-level job, but also the minimum requirement is matric, so you don't need any certificates or degree in order to get hired. For this job, you must have strong analytical skills, organizing skills, adhere to policies and procedures while balancing customers' needs, have some knowledge in Excel, and of course have good communication skills. If you do get hired by UPS, some of the things you're going to do includes receiving, scanning, and packaging the shipments according to destination codes, and monitoring the movements of the goods. There is a list of things you're going to be doing, and I guess some of them you're going to get trained for, and I will leave all the links down below so that you can check them out. Number 2, INVIDEO English teachers. INVIDEO. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but they are looking for English teachers in South Africa, and the company is based in Cape Town. They don't have any requirements other than having strong Wi-Fi, headsets, and a quiet place. You'll be working from home between Monday to Friday. They have 3 shifts. You can work between 8 to 4 p.m., 4 p.m. to 12 a.m., and 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. With this kind of working hours, I'm assuming they are working with international clients like from China, Japan, and Korea. For this job, you're required to prepare your own lessons and create your teaching handouts. On their website, they say they pay 13,000 rands per month, and I think it's quite believable because their working hours are quite crazy and they do not need any experience. So you don't have to be a teacher or have a teaching experience, but you do have to prove yourself to them that you can teach English. If you're watching this and you've worked for this company, please drop more details down below to help someone who may be interested. Number 3, remote telesales in KZN. I know a lot of people don't like sales jobs, and I understand selling something to someone is quite stressful, but I also understand that some of you guys are unemployed and will do any job right now to get extra money. So I figured, why not try this job as well, even though some people don't like sales jobs. And maybe you're already good in sales and this may just be a perfect fit for you. This job is based in KZN, and they are looking for individuals who are going to be contacting potential customers and convincing them to buy the products. You have to be able to pitch and initiate sales, and if you ask me, it's not easy. Not everyone can do it. It's a skill. You're either born with it or you need to learn. You also need to be able to establish customers' needs by asking them certain questions, and you need to educate them about the product or be able to educate them about the product. Sales jobs requires a lot of patience, so if you're going to apply for this job, bear in mind that it's not going to be a walk in the park. People are rude. They pay 6,000 rands per month, which may be nothing to some, but I know it's something to many. So if you have matric or you're currently a graduate and you don't have a job, you may want to try this job, even though it doesn't pay that much, but it's something. It's really sad that we live in times where you have to take any job just to get money for cosmetics. Unfortunately, that's a reality for many people right now. So never look down on anyone or any job because some people don't have a choice. Number 4, personal assistance for pro personal agency. As a paid personal assistant, you'll be helping someone, in this case it's a CEO, with things like note-taking, replying emails, booking appointments, etc. Pro personal agency is looking for someone who's going to work as a PA for their client based in the Northwest. But they say 70% of the time you're going to be working from home. Your role as a PA will be to ensure that the CEO's office runs smoothly, like travel arrangements, making sure that there are no clashes between meetings, and all those things. You'll be getting paid 10 to 15,000 rands per month, they said, and you are required to have a driver's license. The closing date for this job is the 27th of this month, so if you want to apply, go apply now or after this video. Number 5, SnapScan. This is a company with a mobile payment app, and some of you may already know it. They are looking for people that want to work in brand campaigns, product marketing, and growth experiments. Some of the things you're going to be doing includes content creation for their blog and social media, working on paid advertisements, editing blog articles and email marketing strategies, and conceptualizing SnapScan's educational content for better engagement. I feel like for this job, if you have any certificates in marketing management, you can apply for it, even if you don't have any experience in content creation, because they are looking for a group of people, not just one specific person, but they are looking for different people who are going to be working in different things. Unfortunately, they didn't specify how much they're going to be paying, but I guess it's because they're looking for different people, not just one person. And they also did leave an email where you're supposed to send your CV. I'll also link it down below. Number 6, search engine optimization specialist. This is by a UK virtual agency, but they also have offices in South Africa, and they are looking for people right now. As a specialist, you'll be focusing on increasing the quality of your site to increase its visibility for relevant searches. Most companies such as this one manage different websites, so they need people like you or specialists. So if you have any experience in search engine optimization, or you have your own blog, you can apply for this job. For this job, you need to have outstanding knowledge of Google Analytics and of course the ability to think creatively and strategically. When applying, you must submit your CV and a cover letter explaining why they should choose you. And this job closes on the 14th of February, and they expect you to start on the 1st of March. Should you get this job, according to their website, you'll be paid between 15,000 to 25,000 rands per month, and I guess it depends on experience. These are some of the jobs that are currently open, and you should check them out. If you know any job or any opportunity that can help someone, please comment down below and help people. People need money, people need jobs, and you lose nothing by sharing with others. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Please do share this video with your loved ones, with your sisters, with your cousins, because you may not be the one needing the job or qualifying for the job, but your sister or your cousin might be the one for the job. So please, please, please share, and share. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.